Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard eye contact. To begin, aim to maintain eye contact for roughly 70% of your conversation. This shows engagement without being overwhelming. Instead of staring intensely, gently shift your gaze between one eye, then the other, or even the bridge of the nose. This technique feels more natural and less aggressive. Start practicing in a mirror or with a trusted friend to build your comfort and confidence. To avoid an uncomfortable stare, remember to break eye contact naturally every few seconds. This isn't about looking away completely, but rather a brief pause before re-engaging your gaze. You can briefly shift your focus to the speaker's mouth or forehead, or even glance slightly to the side. This makes your eye contact feel more dynamic and less like an intense stare, fostering a more comfortable interaction for both parties. Reading the other person's comfort level is crucial when making eye contact. Pay attention to their reactions. If they seem uncomfortable, slightly reduce the intensity or duration of your gaze. Adjusting your eye contact based on these cues shows empathy and social awareness. Remember to project confidence through a relaxed facial expression, perhaps a slight smile, which makes your strong eye contact inviting rather than intimidating. This balance is key. Consistent practice is essential to master strong eye contact. Try it with different people, from casual acquaintances to professional contacts, and in various settings. Also, understand the purpose behind your eye contact. Is it to show attentiveness, assertiveness, or connection? This clarity helps you apply the technique effectively. And hey, while you're improving your communication, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They come with a lifetime warranty, so you'll be set for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.